Water. Water is a precious natural resource. We cannot imagine life without water. Water is very essential for human. Animals and plants also require water. Sources of water. There are various sources of water. The main source is rain. Rainwater falls on earth and fills water bodies. River. River is a natural flowing fresh water. Pond. A pond is a small body of water. Lake. A lake is a large body of water that is surrounded by land. Glaciers. A glacier is a large body of ice moving slowly down a slope or valley. Sea. A sea is a great body of salt water. Ocean. A ocean is also a huge body of salt water. We saw that the rainwater falls on earth and fills water bodies like rivers, ponds, lake, sea, ocean, etc. Some of the rainwater also goes into the ground and it is called underground water. We get it by well, hand pump, motor pump. Rainwater was also stored by constructing beautiful structures like step well. Step well is a well or pond in which the water can be reached by descending a set of steps. It is also called as Bauli, Bhavdi or Pushkarini. These are the names in different regions of the country. How we get water. Different places get water in different ways, like water tanker coming to the colonies and people stand in queue for that water. In some places, water is given in some timings and they have to catch the water in the given timings. In some places, they walk long distances where well is there and fill water. In some villages, they fill water from hand pump, but mostly that water will be salty. Motor to pump water from bore well. Many villages take water from canals. In cities, many get water from taps day long. Importance of water. Water is very precious and we cannot live without water. Water is essential for all living things. By this, we understand that how precious is water. Many people undergo lots of difficulties to get drinking water. In villages, ladies go long distances to bring water from wells. Not only in villages, In cities also, people go through many troubles for drinking water. They buy water for drinking. By this, what do we understand? That we should never waste even a single drop of water. We have to save water as water is our life. We kids, how can we save water? Let's see. Turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Check taps for leaks. Use watering can to water plants rather than using the pipes. Use a bucket for car washing instead of running hose. We have to save the rainwater also. And how can we save the rainwater? Rainwater can be saved by doing rainwater harvesting. If each and every house or each and every apartments, each and every buildings in India does the rainwater harvesting, then we can save lots of rainwater. Thank you.